up, y'all? Finna get some breakfast. We at McDonald's. Finna get some breakfast.
After my appointment.
Get some breakfast up.
It's like a reward.
In our systems. We at McDonald's. Finna...
Is it our turn?
I don't know. Like it's like you said something, but
I'm really hungry.
How many you want?
How many are you?
I want 6. No, I want 4.
6?
I want 4 of them. With a water. Save money.
And heart problems. I don't know how many should I get?
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. May I help you?
Probably just 2.
3.
3?
Yeah.
May I have 7 sausage burritos?
Would you like sauce for those?
Yes.
What kind of sauce you want?
What do they have? Hot.
May I have, y'all got like a hot type sauce?
We have hot pecans.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm being fat today.
And then can I get two waters?
I have 7 of the sausage burritos with hot pecan and 2 waters.
That's beautiful. That's perfect.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. It's going to be $8.89 up front.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Who paying for it?
I don't know.
I got it.
Okay.
Get the payment ready. They say you always need to have the payment ready before you get to the window.
Well, that's common sense. Isn't it though?
Obviously not. If I had to put signs up there.
I've never seen a sign that says that.
Oh, I have. I think it was the one on South Limestone. Yep, I remember. It said, please have your payment ready before you get to the window. They was tired of people trying to figure out how they was gonna pay. Why come to a restaurant if you even know how you gonna pay? No, they just didn't have their payment ready, but I guess the McDonald's employees was getting tired of it.
It reminds me of one day me and Haley paid in coins. It was only like $2.
That's not bad if it's only $2.
No, I felt like it was like 3.
You ever see that video where dude paid off his child support in like quarters or something?
No.
Or no, paid something. I forgot what it was, something like that. But he paid it in a quarter, but it was like a high amount, and he just dropped a bag of quarters on him. I was like, wow.
I need to change mine into money, like into
into like
bills.
Bills, yeah.
Yeah.
They did do that at
Walmart.
you can put it in your you can put it in your account.
Yeah.
At Right Pack Credit Union. This little thing that just sucks up the coins and goes right into your account.
That's what I need to do.
Yeah, I love Right Pack, man. That's a beautiful credit union. That's a beautiful credit union. I gotta go to I don't think I brought it with me, my check. I'm gonna have to stop by the crib. I don't think I brought it with me, man.
Wow.
I gotta
You had one job.
Yeah, I did. You right. Man, what you doing? I had to cash my check.
You had one job.
I have to go there and cash that check. Oh yes. They're not taking too long.
I'm so hungry.
Since we started the video, only 4 minutes that we've been in the. If they take too long, we'll stop it and then start it over, man. Uh-oh, line moving up. Uh-oh, line moving up. Oh, that's Mr. Doug, I think. Korea worked with him. That's how you know he been working here for a while. Cause she worked there like 6 years ago, I think. She worked here like 6, 7 years ago. I was like in middle school, elementary school when she worked.
890.
Oh, well, yeah, middle school. Okay. Yeah, I think like middle school. Yeah, cause she what 22 now, I think. Korea, I think about 22.
You're asking me. I don't even know my sister.
It was about 6. Yeah, I don't know mine either, obviously. It was about I think it was 6 years ago. About 6 years ago. She worked
Thank
there.
you.
Appreciate it. You have a blessed day. Yeah, I think about 6 years ago. She was good
Every
too,
female
man.
has the happy dance when they get food.
My Shalini worked at a McDonald's. She's a manager.
Period.
Yeah, man. Them beard girls, man. They like or they can run some stuff. They can run some stuff like me. They get it from me. That's who they get it from.
They're older than you, so you get it from them.
Nah, they get it from me.
You get it from them.
Nah, because that would mean it was hereditary. If I got it. Thank you so much, man. You too, thank you. It would be hereditary if I got it from them, but it's not hereditary. I led by example, so they get it from me. I was their example. I was their example, babe.
I was making sure they gave me my hot sauce.
Oh, they put it in there?
Yeah, who eats a burrito without hot sauce?
Me?
Wow, they're gross. Just not.
No. How about this? I'm human and I make my own decisions, and I like to eat what I want to eat.
What I want to eat.
I know it was a joke.
Why do they give you so much napkins?
At least they gave me napkins. Sometimes they be, yeah. We gotta get a good thumbnail going.
You took one of mine.
How?
Oh, never mind.
I said like, I had 4. Yeah, man, I don't want that.
How about?
Put them on like this.
No, I'm gonna look fat.
Babe, so what?
No.
Okay.
Can I eat my food before it gets cold?
Yeah, of course. I'm about to go crazy. These is good. I'm telling you, man. I remember I tried these for the first time like 3 weeks. When was it? Remember, like
a week ago?
No, it had to be
About
like
a
2
week
weeks
ago.
ago. Man, I said, wow.
And all these sauces will be gone by the time I'm done with my food. Bruh. Okay. Is it hot?
Mm-hmm. Wow. These bad boys fresh. Wow.
Turn the AC on and let them cool down with the AC. I used to do that.
Ooh, man. Oh.
Oh, that was funny. Oh, jeez. Is it just me, or do you eat fast, or I eat slow?
Nah, I eat fast. You eat about for the regular female.
I like to enjoy my food.
That's good. That's why I get more. This food is good. McDonald's, y'all did y'all thing with this. Now, I'll admit, y'all one of the worst fast food restaurants out there. Okay? But this, y'all did y'all thing with this. Wow. That, bro. What a way to wake up, man.
I've been up for like 3 hours. But I know what you mean.
Or what a way to start the morning, I
Yes.
should say.
I've been up since 8 o'clock a.m. No, I'm at 7 o'clock a.m.
Yeah, me too. That's what time I woke up.
Not my choice, though.
I looked and I got a text. I said, oh, wow. She's up.
I had to be.
Well, I thought you were going to get up at like 8.
Babe, my appointment was at 9, 8:30.
Wait.
I had to leave my house by 8.
I thought you gonna get up by like 7:45. Cause you know I like for work you used to get up like 10 minutes before you gotta be there. Why did you have to wake up so early though? You don't take that long to get ready.
Everything was packed.
Oh, yeah.
We're going out for the holidays with my family
To where?
to Indiana.
No, tell them. You know what I'm
To
saying. That's why.
Indiana.
Yeah. It'll be fun, man. We're gonna have a good time. We had Thanksgiving. Well, today Tuesday. Yesterday we had Thanksgiving with my family. My side of the family. My
The
sister
food was
there.
awesome.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, cause a black person cooked it. No, I'm playing. No, I'm playing. But yeah.
Is it good? Is it good?
Man, it's all phenomenal.
I don't really know if I'm a fan of the cheese though.
What? I love it because it's like oozes out of your mouth.
There's something about sandwich cheese that throws me off.
Yo, what's something about what?
Something about sandwich cheese that throws me off.
Sandwich cheese? Is that a brand or something?
Sandwich cheese, like
What you talking
the
about?
little rectangle cheese.
Oh, no. Well, it depends on what kind you get.
Huh?
It depends on what kind you get. American cheese, like the singles American cheese.
Yeah.
Those are disgusting.
Yeah, it throws me off.
Like you get the cheddar cheese. Woo.
This is sandwich cheese, I think.
Yeah. A little.
All right, I'm getting full, and this is my second one. But I'm gonna eat it because they're good.
I love cheddar cheese though. That's my favorite cheese.
I like provolone.
All of them are good, honestly, except American. American cheese, excuse me. American cheese is cooking.
I don't know my cheeses. I think American's the one that goes on like hamburgers and stuff.
Yeah, that's the one that primarily they use for hamburgers, but I hate it. If I do like Young's Dairy, actually I put cheddar cheese on there.
I always get provolone on like my stuff.
Yeah. Let me try that sauce.
There's one right there.
I want to see what it tastes like.
I used 2 packets on just one.
Man,
I told you they're gonna be all gone by the time I'm done.
it's too much.
No, it's not.
Man,
You should see how much I put on Taco Bell.
man.
I am a person who likes hot food.
Yeah, I know. Ew.
Yummy.
I don't know if I like that like that.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. I mean, it's not
Hot.
bad. Like a plain. Or like,
Hot.
baby, be careful.
That's hot.
What other breakfast items they got? Because like, oh, it's dripping.
I don't like biscuits.
No, me, ew. Ew. Biscuits. I almost like biscuits from like Popeyes or nothing.
My DMs are drier than Popeye's biscuits. Get it? 'Cause
Yeah.
Popeyes are dry.
Yeah.
I don't really like, I mean, I like KFC biscuits or, no, it's Lee's biscuits I like.
I don't really like biscuits. I like rolls.
And whenever I eat sausage gravy,
Oh man,
I don't like biscuits, so I get toast.
I used to hate picking that sausage gravy at work. When I worked out Aldi. Because sometimes it would bust and it'd just be stinking, bro. Sometimes there'd be stuff, cans and stuff just busted. Just stunk. Tomato sauce busting stuff. Ew. Smell like you. It's like, it's like, no,
You wanna walk home?
man, I'm just playing. You smell amazing. You hear me?
Oh.
You smell amazing.
Don't kiss me when you have food in your mouth. I'll give you a kiss on the cheek.
Yeah, move on. Okay, come on.
Huh?
Babe, please.
Eat
So what if I got food in my mouth? So what?
That's gross.
Babe.
I don't want another person chewed up food in my mouth.
Come on. Nah, cool.
That makes me gag just thinking about it.
Well, if I close my mouth.
Oh! I need a napkin.
Yeah, well, good. It's good that they gave 1,000 of them because we needed them.
Thought I was gonna make it one whole meal without making a mess.
No.
Oh. Oops. Oh, shoot.
Babe, just do it over there. Okay.
I need a napkin again.
Man, that was nice.
How do you finish before me?
Man, I eat fast. It's okay to eat slowly.
I like to enjoy the taste.
Yeah.
My last one though, but I'm actually really full.
Yeah.
I always think I'm hungry. I'm really hungry, and then I take like a few bites out of my stuff, and then I get full.
Yeah. All right, thank y'all for watching. That was a beautiful breakfast meal we ate. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please give a like, please comment any thoughts, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share with your friends. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace. We love you.